Hello guys, welcome to our new video, and this video is all about AWS Machine Learning Associate Exam. So in this video we'll explain some topics about AWS Machine Learning Associate Exam. In this video we discuss how we use end-to-end machine learning workflows on AWS, and then SageMaker ecosystem understanding, and then training, hypermeter tuning, deployment, and monitor and best services. As you already know, we have a different videos of AWS cloud practitioner, associate developer, and then DevOps, and this is the continuation series. Okay, so what is AWS ML lifecycle? So AWS machine learning lifecycle follows a structured path, um, which is basically has you know you ingest data, prepare it, train your model, tune it, deploy it, and finally monitor it. So AWS provides managed services that make this entire workflow scalable and efficient. So the workflow usually starts with Amazon S3, which is a bucket where we store our data sets. Then the data moves into SageMaker processing jobs or notebook instance for cleaning and feature engineering. Okay, so this is the Amazon Web Services lifecycle. And then the other component is SageMaker architecture. So SageMaker is basically a fully managed service, but it actually a collection of different components that works together. So what components? The first one is notebook instance for development, and then we have processing jobs for data preparation, then we have training jobs for model training, and then we have hyperparameter tuning jobs to optimize accuracy, and then we have model registry to store and version train models, endpoint, and then we have endpoint for real-time inference, and then we have batch transform for large offline predictions, and SageMaker pipeline basically to automate everything end to end. So I will show you how understanding how we combine those spaces, an essential of AWS machine learning associate exam. Then we have, as you know, the CloudWatch integration we have already done in these previous videos of Amazon developer exam. So in this video, also like real time versus batch inference. So real time endpoints are used when you need to instant prediction like fraud detection or recommendation system. So batch transform is used when we have millions of records and don't need instant exposes. So the exam often emphasize when to choose which services. Okay, and then we have the next thing is the hands-on topics. As you already know, we know the IAM user, what is IAM user, and the IAM security, and then IAM also is a core part of AWS ML. So SageMaker uses IAM roles. We have different types of roles: authenticator, allow all permissions, admin roles, administrative roles, to decide which resources our job can access, such as reading data from S3 bucket or writing logs to CloudWatch. So least privileges is always the recommended approach. And then we have AWS machine learning workflow and SageMaker architecture. So in this topic, you will see hands-on demo topics covered, like launching a notebook instance. So first, we start with creating a SageMaker notebook instance. From there, I loaded my datasets from S3 and perform pre-processing using pandas. And then I clean the dataset, handle missing values, and then prepared the feature for training. Okay, so how are we gonna train the model? To train the model, I use the built-in XGBoost algorithm. So the SageMaker built-in algorithm are optimized for performance and scale really well. So if I configure my training job, with S3 path for training and validation data, instance type, hyperparameters, output location. Once the job has created, then as SageMaker train the infrastructure and run the coding and shut down the automatic off afterwards. So, and then you will see the hypermeter tuning HPO explanation. So why tuning is needed? So this is where SageMaker uses optimization to search multiple combination of parameters and automatically find the best performing model. So I've defined parameter ranges such as maximum depth and then then estimated ETA, learning rate, and then number of rounds. So and then at the end we have the model deployment explain. How we gonna explain after identifying the best model, we deploy to real-time endpoint. SageMaker creates a fully managed HTTPS endpoint that can be scaled automatically, and then at the end we tested the endpoint using our predict API, and then we sent CSV payload and receive predictions. So why we need this? Because we have faced so many issues during deployment. So for solving those issues, we need these pre-checks. Like IAM role did not have permission to access the S3 bucket. We got a issue, and then if we endpoint initially threw a model error or something, so we need to fix that as well. Also, if I had to request an instance quota increases for my tuning job runtime, we can do this as well. Okay, so then these are the main crux of the Amazon machine learning and how we monitoring and logging. So the logging is most important. You can catch the errors in logs. So capturing the logs is quite challenging in some roles, but if you have this service, you can easily check the errors, CloudWatch logs for debugging. And how we gonna do this? We have different options, like we batch transform versus real data, and then we can watch our logs using the CloudWatch monitoring, which shows model latency, then CPU and memory usage, and then if any, like our API failed, it give us the error. So you will see in my next video I will make a notebook where we create, you know we will make a new notebook from Amazon Web Services machine learning program. And then once we created the notebook, then we try to train the model and do some demo. So please stay tuned with us for more informative videos, and like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.